In this quick Apollo.io guide, we're going to dive into how to use Apollo.io's real-time notifications effectively, an incredible feature that can make your sales process smoother and more responsive. If you're new to Apollo.io, this feature is essential for tracking leads and staying on top of your outreach efforts, whether you're running a sales campaign or looking to maximize your engagement with prospects. Stick around till the end, because I'll also tell you how to access Apollo.io's real-time notifications for free with an extended trial. Stay tuned. Apollo.io is a powerful sales intelligence platform that can help you prospect, track, and convert leads in a more efficient way. One of the key features that sets it apart is its real-time notifications. These notifications help you keep a close eye on interactions, giving you instant updates when your leads open your emails, engage with your content, or take actions on your website. With Apollo.io, you can get alerts on the most critical actions, meaning you won't miss a beat when it comes to responding to potential opportunities. To set up and use Apollo.io's real-time notifications, you first need to link your email accounts and integrate your calendar within the platform. Once that's done, head over to the notification settings. You can customize what kind of actions you want to be notified about, whether it's email opens, link clicks, or activity on your landing pages. By configuring these notifications, you'll be able to react almost instantly when someone engages with your content. The notifications can also be set up to inform you of important actions in your pipeline, like when a lead opens an email for the second or third time, or when they engage with your website content. This means you'll have a much better understanding of where your leads stand in the sales process, helping you to prioritize follow-ups effectively. A major advantage of Apollo.io's real-time notifications is that they're designed to be highly customizable. Not only can you select which types of activities trigger notifications, but you can also adjust the frequency of those alerts. If you're someone who prefers to receive only the most important updates, you can fine-tune your notification settings to minimize distractions. Another great feature of Apollo.io's real-time notifications is their integration with other tools, like your CRM. By connecting your CRM, you can sync the alerts directly with your workflow, so you never miss a crucial moment. Apollo.io ensures that you can take immediate action, whether you need to follow up with an email, schedule a call, or update your CRM entry. Real-time notifications are especially useful when you have multiple prospects at various stages in your pipeline. They help you stay on top of engagement and push leads toward conversion without any delays. You'll get the information you need right when it happens, so you can follow up while the prospect is still warm. And here's the best part. Apollo.io's real-time notifications are completely free when you sign up through the first link below. You'll also unlock an exclusive extended free trial, giving you access to all of Apollo.io's premium features, including the real-time notifications, without any commitments. So if you're ready to supercharge your sales process with Apollo.io's real-time notifications and access this feature for free, check out the link in the description below. Get started today and take advantage of this powerful tool that ensures you never miss a crucial opportunity in your sales cycle.